Hello, welcome to Torsteinar's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use compression packing cubes to save hundreds of dollars on travel every year. The way I save so much money using packing cubes is that I don't need to fill my big backpack with this huge thing. I can instead only bring this tiny little thing here. The compression makes such a huge difference that I am able to bring all of this in my carry-on bag, which I got here. It's only a 20-liter bag and it's more than enough for me, and I've traveled for months on end. Anyway, let me show you how I pack these packing cubes and how to use them. Alright, so first of all, I use these packing cubes by a company called Eagle Creek. I find these packing cubes to be of very high quality, as they have this ripstop fabric, which means that the zippers, even when they get stuck in the fabric, which happens often, as you have this compression going around the entire thing here. So the zipper often gets stuck in the actual packing cube. So, what do I travel with to keep it so light? For another video, I have an article on my website about it, torsteinar.com. You can check it out in the description box below if you're interested. If not, let me show you how to pack these things. So, one of the best ways to use packing cubes is by rolling up your things first. Here is all my underwear. You probably don't want to see that. Now you've seen it anyway. So socks, rolled up. Same goes for the underwear. It's much easier to keep a system up this way. And frankly, it's easier to roll up the packing cubes as well. So the way this works is a normal packing cube usually only has this on the top, right? A normal packing cube, this will be finished. See how thick it is? Now, on the compression packing cubes, you have a zipper on the side, which is gonna zip all the way around here. Like this. Compressing the entire thing. You don't want to overfill this, because if you do, then it's gonna be no fun, because you have to unzip and rezip this all the time. The first couple of times you compress your clothes, it's probably gonna be a little bit of a struggle for you. But once you get a hang of it, and you're able to only travel with a carry-on, you're gonna save so much money in the long run. Just buy plane tickets without bags. And that's it. Finished. Now, for the things you bring in the actual packing cubes can change from person to person. Like I said, I have an article on my website, which I strongly recommend that you check out. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you later.